Hi, second grade math friends. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, 2020, and we will continue working on our multiplication. Today we're going to work on the facts of 6, 7s, 8s, and 9s. So I want you to listen to all 4 songs, and then on a separate piece of paper, I want you to write times 3 equals, and then write all of your count bys of 3s. So I would write on my sheet of paper, it would look like this by the end. I would write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Then I would go to the next line. I'd skip a line if I'm using paper, and I want to make sure that I have it in one straight line to make it easier for when I get to my IXLs. So then I would have times 4 equals, and then I would do 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Then I'm going to do the same for my times 6s, times 7s, times 8s, and times 9s. This will make it easier when you're practicing your math facts for IXLs, having that on a sheet of paper next to you, not on your computer, but next to you, so then you can look at it as you put up a finger and do your count bys. So here's an example. If I'm working on my Y10, I have 9 times 5. Well, I'm better at counting by 5s than I am 9s, right? So I need to count by 5 9 times. So every time I count by 5, I'm going to put up a finger. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And I get 45. Then 8 times 1. Well, I know anything times 1 is just its number. 6 times 5. Again, I'm better at counting by 5s than I am 6s, so I'm going to count by 5s 6 times. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Or if I wanted to count by my 6s, then I would count by 6 5 times. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay? I'm not just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and see 30 because I need to practice that skip counting. So by saying it out loud and putting up a finger every time, it helps me build that memorization in my head of skip counting by 6s. So I'm going to go 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, putting up a finger each time. Okay, 3 times 7. I can do 3 7 times or 7 3 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Every time I count it, I put it up a finger. 3 times 8. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 4 times 9. That one's a little harder, so I'm going to reference my sheet, and I'm going to count by 4 9 times. I'm not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to get my answer because that's not helping me memorize my multiplication facts. Ready? Put up a finger each time. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then I can continue on. So you need to watch your count bys of 6, 7s, 8s, and 9s videos. And then you are going to write on a sheet of paper your count bys. You can pause this to look at my screen right now if you need to. And then you're going to complete your IXL jobs Y10 and Y11. All right, have fun. Good luck practicing those multiplication facts. Make sure you put up a finger and practice your count by every time.